Guys, welcome back to another one. In this video, we're going to go over some cryptocurrency news that's been happening for the past couple of days. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe to the channel. It does mean a lot. All right, first and foremost, we're going to talk about Ethereum. It is setting some all-time highs as the Altair upgrade goes live. This is awesome to see. And I think, guys, right now we're still early in Ethereum. So if you haven't picked up some, definitely pick up some more ETH. And I'll just check out this article right now. The price of Ethereum has surged to a new all-time high over the past 24 hours, and it's possibly fueled by the Altair upgrade. So on Tuesday, the second largest crypto by market cap rallied towards 4,300 before dropping to 4,000. Now, as we know, the all-time high has been set right above 4,400. And hopefully soon we can see it break above 45. And all of this is because the Altair upgrade, which it is another step towards implementing ETH 2.0. And if we check out the Ethereum website, if we just go to learn and then ETH 2.0, they do a really good job of breaking down what all of this means. So as of right now, they are currently moving away from proof of work, which Ethereum currently is, into proof of stake. And the first step, which was creating the beacon chain, and the next step, so the beacon chain is it brings staking to Ethereum, and it lays the groundwork for the future upgrades. So right now, if you go to Coinbase, the Coinbase app, you can buy Ethereum and then stake to ETH2, and you are staking to the beacon chain is what's happening right now. The Altair upgrade is the upgrade that can lead to the merge, and the merge is when the proof of stake blockchain layer merges with the proof of work blockchain layer, and the mainnet Ethereum will merge with the beacon chain, and this will enable staking for the entire network. And right now, if you go on Coinbase, if you stake your ETH, you're not able to withdraw that money, but as soon as the merge happens, we will be able to withdraw that money. And this leads me to Cointelegraph's article that came out recently about Ethereum, which set an all-time high, prepared for its continuation to $5,000. So I won't go through the entire article, but analysts are saying there's multiple factors pointing towards ETH to rally to $5,000, and BTC is expected to continue to rise up until about $85,000, and that's when it's going to see its first level of severe, resistance passing that point. And these are really good numbers, guys. So $5,000, I think that's just a quick stop before Ethereum continues to move up. But I've seen price range from BTC hitting those six-figure marks and above. So another news article, this one is about the downside. Something that happened on Ethereum network is the Cream Finance suffers a $130 million hack. That's a lot, guys. So the Ethereum DeFi protocol Cream Finance suffered an exploit yesterday that allows attackers to steal $130 million from its holding. So this wasn't the first time this happened on Cream Finance in particular. The first time it was $36 million, and then the second time is $29 million. It makes me lose a little bit of credibility for Cream Finance. I don't know if I would ever, use this DeFi protocol, but it does make you want to continue to pull your money off of these exchanges. I know the Theta and Trezor, we had a little bit of a hiccup there for a little bit. The fix should be coming soon, but that is the importance of using these hardware wallets so that hackers won't hack onto the exchanges and pull all of your coins out, because you never know if you're going to get that money back. Another little bit of information, news that came out recently is congressmen seek clarity from SEC Chief Gensler on yield products and stablecoins. I know this is a point of contention for me because I do like using BlockFi and Celsius to earn a lot of yield on my stablecoins. And I'll just read a couple things here. Essentially, there's a lot of Congress members who are pushing the SEC just to, provide some clarity. And the crypto industry deserves regulatory clarity when it comes to yield products and stablecoins. I won't read the entire article, but the last little bit does say, having said that, the above signed members of Congress expect a written response from Gary Gensler by no later than November 19, 2021. And, I keep seeing multiple dates about when Gary Gensler is going to report and have some sort of report about stablecoins, and it just keeps getting pushed back further and further. But I do hope that this is the last line drawn in the sand, and we can get some clarity from there. The next little bit of news is a little bit about the meme coins that have just skyrocketed. Think Shiba Inu and now SQUID Games. If you watch the popular Netflix show, there is a crypto token based on SQUID Games, which is surging. Pretty incredible to think about, but a lot of people laughed at Dogecoin, a lot of people laughed at Shiba Inu. So I mean, not to take this one extremely serious, especially when you check out the website here. There is a lot lacking, and you can definitely tell that it is very lackluster and put together just probably in a day. But looking at Shiba Inu, looking at Dogecoin, anything could happen is what I'm getting at. And you can just see the price skyrocket over the past 24 hours. Let's check it out. It's up 400%. So anything could happen. And last but not least, the last thing I wanted to touch on is the price of Theta and Tfuel, of course. So checking out the charts, as you know, I'm not too much of a chart guy, but the layer of support and resistance has still held, and it looks like Theta is trying to climb above this layer of resistance at $7.25 approximately. It does have some increasing levels of volume, which is good to see, and the rest of the market is rallying right now. So I see no problem as long as the rest of the market continues to rally that Theta will, crush this level of resistance and then go above 725 approximately. And then lastly, Tfuel, it looks like it is above its layer of resistance, which is also very good to see, and the levels of volume have picked up. So hopefully Tfuel can continue its rally up to the next level of resistance right around that 40-cent mark. And that was the news in a nutshell. SQUID Games and the SQUID Game token that came out recently. You want to laugh at it, but you just never know with the market right now. The stablecoin clarity from the SEC, hopefully that should come soon. The Cream Finance hack, and then also the Ethereum price analyst and upgrades coming out soon. And if you like this content, once again, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.